Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to create a specialized drag and drop item for your experiment, how the participant can view the specialized drag and drop item and fill in their response, and how to view and download your data metrics. A specialized drag and drop item enables the participant to drag and drop a word into a correct or incorrect zone. The item allows the researcher not only to see the number of attempts the participant takes to provide the right answer, but also measure the speed of the reply. Let's go over an example. We're going to focus on the modules and items level. Start by opening your study. Click on Modules. Open your module and then go to Content Items. On the Add Module Item row, click on Specialized Drag and Drop. Enter your question and optional description. If you prefer, you can add an image or a video, but it's not necessary. You can also hide the question, optional description, image, and video by ticking the box next to Hide Info part. Then you can choose if either the top or bottom zone is the correct zone. After this, you can edit the zone areas. For example, you can type a zone group name and an example word for that zone. Also, you can choose a color or add an audio. The color and the audio will be noticed by the participants once they drag a word into the zone. Type the word that will be dragged. If you wish, you can change the color too. Then press Save. Your specialized drag and drop item is now saved in your module. When the participant has downloaded the TIIM application on their phone, subscribed to the study, and has been assigned to an intervention, they will be able to open the assigned intervention with its modules and items. A specialized drag and drop will enable the participants to drag and drop a word into a category as a response. Once the participant has filled in the items within the module, you will be able to see and download the responses, also known as the data metrics. Go to the metrics page. Here you will see an overview of the data of all the participants in your study. To view this data in a spreadsheet, you can download the data by first clicking the download button at the top of the screen, then download the answers of the entire module or the summary report specifying the participants' actions with timestamps. Both the module and summary report will be automatically downloaded as a CSV file on your device. If you want to know more about the data metrics and how to import the data to Excel and SPSS, check the data metrics tutorial. In this video, we showed you how to create a specialized drag and drop item for your experiment, how the participants can view the specialized drag and drop item and fill in their response, and how to view and download your data metrics. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.